Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make simple origami bases. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the water bomb base first. First, fold in half, white side up, and then do the same thing but turn it 90 degrees. Crease sharply, unfold, and then valley fold diagonally, white side still facing up. And then do the same thing but turn 90 degrees. Now you take this corner and match it to the top. Make sure you crease sharply. And then turn over and do the same thing on the other side. And then there should be a pocket in the middle, just like that. Put your fingers in and then squash it from the sides. And that's how you make a water bomb base. Okay, let's start on the flapping bird base. That's what I like to call it. We're doing the same thing we did on the water bomb base. Okay, now is where things start to get a little different. Instead of folding it diagonally, we fold it like a normal valley fold. And then do the same thing as a water bomb base. Make sure that the open side is facing the bottom. And then open the flap up and then squash. And then that's how you make the flapping bird base.